Hello friends, have you ever thought that a guava plant in a small pot could start bearing fruit in just 6 months? People say it takes years for a guava plant to grow big. But today I will show you a side grafting technique that will make your native plant bear the best, sweetest variety of guavas found in the market. In this video, I won't just tell you the method. I will show you 100% genuine update of every month, from grafting to the journey of flowers and fruit. Do not skip even a second of this video because one small mistake can ruin your plant. First, we need a root stock. I have taken a native variety of guava plant which is about the thickness of a pencil. We will cut it from the top at a height of about 25 cm. Now we will make a straight slit in the bark from top to bottom. Now it's time for the scion. I have taken this scion from a guava tree that bears very sweet, high quality fruit. Keep in mind that the thickness of the scion should be equal to your root stock. A little variation is fine, but the scion should not be too thick. Now peel the bark of this scion on one side to match the length of the slit we made in the root stock. Now the scion needs to be set firmly inside the root stock. After this, take some stretchable plastic and tie this entire portion airtight. Remember, neither air nor water should enter this portion, otherwise fungus will grow and the grafting will fail. After tying, we will keep this plant a semi-shaded area. Friends, it has been a full month and a half and you can see that new leaves have sprouted from the scion. But wait, there is a big danger here. Look below the graft portion. These sucker branches have emerged. It is necessary to remove them immediately. If not removed, the sucker branches will take all the nutrients. The growth of the grafted plant will stop and the plant might even die. To keep this video 100% genuine, I am removing the plastic to show you the graft joint. Look, they have started joining together. Now we will tie it back airtight with plastic so that growth continues. Now it has been 2.5 months. The leaves are now mature and the second stage of growth has begun. This means our grafting has been 100% successful. Now we will remove the plastic permanently. After removing the plastic, we will apply Bordeaux paste on this graft portion. Applying this is necessary so that no disease or fungus affects the export joint and the plant grows healthily. At 4 months, you will notice that the plant's growth has slowed down because it is still in this small plastic bag and it is lacking nutrition. Now it is time to repot it into a 12-inch pot. Understand the soil mix carefully. For this, 60% normal soil and 40% well decomposed cow dung manure. If the soil is not loose, add some river sand. And yes, if you are repotting in any season other than the rainy season, make sure to add some cocoa peat to maintain moisture in the soil. Exactly half a month after repotting, that is in 4.5 months, the plant has started bearing flowers along with side branches. The plant will turn some flowers into fruit based on its strength and drop the others. So there is no need to worry about that. After this, look at the 6-month result. The plant now has guavas and the others have dropped. Now here is a pro gardening tip for you. We will prune the portion right above the branch where the fruit are attached. This will ensure all the plant's energy goes into fruit growth and new side branches will emerge, making the plant bushier. Friends, the final 7-month result is in front of you. See how green, bushy and healthy the plant have become. And the size of the guavas is boosting rapidly too. This is the magic of a native root stock and a high quality scion. If you liked my 7 months of a hard work, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more genuine gardening videos. If you have any questions, ask in the comment below. Thank you very much for watching until the next video. Happy gardening.